Okay guys, this morning I need to go get some gas for the truck. Need to go get some money for the race for this upcoming weekend. Got testing to him Friday night, and I got a race on Sunday, so I need to get some cash for that. Clean up the truck. It's a little dirty, the windshield's not the best, but it's been sitting out. We've been having rain all week long, so the truck sits outside most of the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop by the car wash, go ahead and get all that cleaned up, make sure it's looking good, clean outside and all that good stuff, and go from there. So talk later. Okay, it's a new day. Basically got the car ready to go. All we're going to do today is basically we're going to go ahead and get the car fired up, make sure it runs, pulls in gear, drives, all that good stuff, no leaks, any of that stuff. Then what we're going to go ahead and do, we'll go ahead and get the car loaded up in the trailer and get ready for tonight's test and tune session. So next task is I'm going to go ahead and roll it outside here and get it fired up, check the training level, stuff like that, and make sure it moves. Then we'll go to the track tonight. More about that later on.
No. 2 feet. Yeah.
Fired up.
Try to.
Yep.
Make sure to do something with your bike.
Yeah. Kind of low, isn't it?
Huh?
Kind of low, isn't it?
Just a little. Well, your mother and I couldn't agree on the car on the floor, so I let her pick it.
Thing was about empty.
Down pretty close to about an inch above the
Yeah.
end.
Almost 4 gallons. Get us a pass for us warm up.
Do what?
Get us a pass tonight for warm up. Okay. Get ready to head out here to the track. Just waiting my dad to show up so we can get this thing on the road, get a little bit of testing done tonight, see how it does. Like I said, we're going to be working on the timing and some jet change, just more curiosity than anything else. Air looks pretty good tonight. It's a beautiful evening. The pressure is pretty high, humidity is really starting to come down, so so it should be a good test tonight. Once the sun goes down, the track will get a little bit tighter. But anyway, we're strictly here just testing some things out, see how it's going to react to the changes with this new motor of ours.
Guys, haven't kept up to date like I should. Been out here. Dad's been doing a lot of filming at the line and stuff, but basically what we're getting ready to do next, we're getting ready to change the jets out. Going to lean it out a little bit. Did several passes. When we actually brought the time, it actually picked up pretty decent. So what we're going to do is lean it out and see if it picks up any more. If it slows down, we'll put the jets back in and probably come down on the time in just a little bit more. But that's what our plans are right now. We are done for tonight. Good Lord. I think we're done. Huh?
Huh?
Since I think we're done. Aren't we?
I'm done.
Is that all empty?
Yep. You're very low in that.
Okay.